Okay, we are now entering the lower level of the owner's duplex. Downstairs here is just as big as upstairs, but it's basically a raw space for you to design it any way you want. Here is your washer dryer / laundry room. And you have this massive living space, which would be good for entertaining or letting the family stay. The space back here could be built out into 2 extra rooms. Here are the mechanicals. And then this level also has a very nicely finished bathroom. And there is also access down here. There's steps that walk out there.